Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can send your Mobi files via email to your Kindle device without actually having to connect it with any USB drive. So for this you need to first log into Amazon and go to the Your Account section. Under the Your Account, go to the Content and Devices. In the Content and Devices, go to the Devices tab, where if you have already logged in your Kindle with this Amazon Prime account, you will find the devices which is registered. In here, as you can see, I have a Sharu's Kindle, which is the device I am using right now. So if you are in this view, you need to click on these three dots and just get the email ID. This is the next relevant thing you need to use for the next step. Okay, so that's the email ID. So in some cases you might have a different view, which is the thumbnail view. In this case also you can get the mail ID. You just need to go below here, so you will find the mail ID here. So there can be two views under which it will be visible. Okay, in either of the way you just need to get the mail ID. Then you need to go to the Gmail account or any mail ID from which you are going to be sending it, and of course you need to whitelist this is a separate video, probably I'll make it. And you need to just paste the Kindle mail ID which you are going to send the Mobi file to here in the to section, and just send across this mail. So it will be asking for several warnings because there is no subject, but it's not mandatory to have a subject, so you can just send it, and within a matter of minutes you will find that the device will be coming up here. So once the mail is sent, you will see that the devices will be coming under this section. And please note that the document which you are sending by email will not be coming under the book section, it will be going to the doc section directly. So once you come in here, you will find the list of documents that are sent via email from your s.sharath or whichever is the mail ID registered. From that you will be able to find the document here, right? So I've already sent my document, and I'm just waiting for the sync to happen. So I'll just stop the video here, because this is all you need to do. Just come back to the section once it is completely sent, and you will find that the document will be available here. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any further queries on how you can register the mail ID or any other particular queries, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to assist you on that. Thank you.